Hi friend, today we have to discuss the transformer earthing. Voltage transformer earthing. In this method of neutral earthing, the primary of a single phase voltage transformer is connected between the neutral and the earth. A low resistor in series with a relay is connected across the secondary of the voltage transformer. The voltage transformer provided a high reactance in the neutral earthing circuit and operate virtually as an ungrounded neutral system. An earth fault on any one phase produces a voltage across the relay. This causes the operation of the protective devices. Then what are the advantages of the voltage transformer earthing? The transient overvoltage on the system due to switching and earthing grounds are reduced. This type of earthing has all the advantages of ungrounded neutral system. And third advantage is earthing grounds are eliminated. The next one is the grounding transformer. To create neutral point on 3-phase 3-wire system, to change it into 3-phase 4-wire system. This can be done by means of a grounding transformer. It is a core type transformer having 3 limbs built in a same fashion as that of power transformer. Each limb of the transformer has 2 identical windings wound differentially of the current in the 2 windings on each limb are in the opposite to each other. Under normal operating condition, total flux in each limb is negligibly small. Therefore, the transformer draws a very small magnetizing current. The figure second shows use of grounding transformer to create a neutral point N. If we connect a single phase load between the one line and neutral as shown in figure, the load current I divided into 3 equal parts in each winding. Because the current are equal and the neutral point stay fixed, the line to neutral voltage remain balanced as they would be on regular 4-wire system. In practice, the single phase load are distributed evenly as possible between the 3-phase and neutral so that unbalanced load current is relatively very small. This is the grounding transformer. Thank you friends.